Hang on, I've got to read it first. We sleek it,
John.
Cowrin Timbrose Beastie. Oh, what a panic's in the beastie. I need not start away hasty. Why breaking battle? And what they love therein unchastely. We mother in battle.
Sit on the chair.
Oh, I need my glasses.
She should have Mrs. Brown.
It could be. It's
Yeah.
got a ring to it,
Tweet.
hasn't it?
Oh,
right.
Mrs. Brown.
Yeah, you do.
Are you ready?
Go on then. Go for it.
Oh, what some power of the gifty gears to see yourselves as theirs is.
Nothing changes.
It would from money a blunder phrase and foolish notion. What years in that dress and gait with airs and even devotion?
Fair for your honest soncy face. Great chieftains or the pudding race. Who never hear your praise? Page strike fine. Where are you worthy of a grace? As long as my arm.
Lovely to you.
I'm not going to stop laughing. Right. We sleek it. Cowrin Timbrose Beastie. Oh, what a panic in my breasty. Thou needn't start away so hasty. We bickling brattle. I wad me light tiring and chase thee with my drink pattle.
To a louse. On you go, mate. Best Scottish accent.
Oh, what some power. Sorry, that was Newcastle.
Well, you're almost there. Not far to go.
Oh, what some power and gifty gears to see ourselves as ill seers. It word for money and blunder freers, any foolish notion. What is good dressing, gate and leaders, and in devotion.
We skillet, Cowrin Timbrose Beastie. Oh, what the panics in the beastie. I need that start away. Say, it's your turn yet, Carol.
You know I can't do accents.
Bickering brattle. I wanna be late tearing a chase thee with me. Bring that
You look perfect.
Right.
Oh, it's Jeanette Cranky, look.
So, you can do the haggis one. Alright?
Go on, yeah.
That's an easy one. Scottish accent, mate.
Address to the Aggies first one. Yeah?
Scottish accent.
I can't do that accent.
Just try.
I can't even read it. Fair fire. How do people talk? Fair fire on his sodsy face. Great chieftain o'er the pudding race. Aboon them and you take your place. Pinch stripe o' the rum. Where are you worthy of a grace? As long as my arm. Or something like that.